Chapter 2. Using Boot Diagnostics. Accessing Boot Diagnostics. Armin Shariaran. Chapter 2. Using Boot Diagnostics. As a system administrator, you'll get the inevitable call one day about a server that just won't start. Maybe the server is in a continuous boot loop. Maybe the server just hangs. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to figure out why the system is having issues starting and then fix the issue. This chapter discusses basic tools and techniques to troubleshoot issues that are causing your system to not be able to boot properly. Accessing Boot Diagnostics. The first step to figuring out what's going wrong with your system is to access the boot diagnostic utilities that ship with Windows Server operating systems. From the DVD. If the server that is having boot issues is a physical server, you can use a DVD or a USB flash drive to access the boot diagnostics menu. It's very rare to have physical media on hand anymore, so chances are, you'll need to download the ISO file for Windows Server 2022 from the Microsoft website and burn the image to the DVD or USB flash drive. An ISO file is a duplicate of what's on a physical disk. After you have the disk ready to go, you need to insert the disk or the USB flash drive into the server and boot from it. You may need to change the boot order on the server so that the boot order will start with the DVD drive or the USB flash drive before the hard drive. You can make this change by accessing the basic Input/Output System, BIOS. On server systems, this option is available when the system is booting. The key you have to press to access the BIOS will depend on the firmware manufacturer that created the BIOS or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, UEFI. Some systems simply offer you a boot menu when you press F12, which allows you to select the DVD drive or USB flash drive for a one-time boot. When you've figured out how to boot from the DVD or USB flash drive, follow these steps. 1. Boot from the DVD or USB flash drive. 2. When you see the message press any key to boot from CD or DVD, press any key. The installation wizard for Windows Server 2022 runs. 3. On the first screen, click Next. This screen is just asking for language, time, and currency format, and keyboard or input method. You can safely accept the defaults. 4. On the next screen, you see the big Install Now button. Don't click that. Instead, look in the lower left corner for the Repair Your Computer link. See Figure 2:1, and click that. 5. On the next screen, click Troubleshoot. This gives you your available options. See Figure 2:2. Command Prompt allows you to do advanced troubleshooting and is especially helpful if you need to repair boot files. You can use the DiskPart utility to work with the drive, and the bootrec command to rebuild or repair the boot files. System Image Recovery allows you to restore your system from an image created by a backup utility. You'll be asked to choose a target operating system to restore, and then you'll be shown available backups you can use. Figure 2:1. Look for the Repair Your Computer link in the lower left corner. Figure 2:2. The Advanced Options screen.